Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Chase was inside the Play-Doh. Ooh, it's so squishy.
Greetings, little earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. Wow, do you see that? It's Paw Patrol Play-Doh! That looks like so much fun. I can't wait to do that. But wait, the thing I can't wait for even more is 5 surprise! Ooh, I love the pink ones. They're so cool. I think we're gonna open the 5 surprise at the end of the video. Let's find out what's inside the Play-Doh, and then we'll open with a 5 surprise. Woohoo! Okay.
Ooh, look, it's a rainbow of color. There's pink, red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Pink is Skye. Ooh, and she's so cute. And then there's red, which is Marshall, orange for Zuma, yellow for Rubble, green for Rocky, and blue for Chase. Hi, guys. Oh, this looks so cool. Let's open it up. Ooh, look, it's Play-Doh inside. Let's get it out. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, that Play-Doh is sure squishy. And look what we have. Oh my goodness, it's crazy. It's a bunny. Let's put the bunny stamp on it. Oh, it's such a cute little bunny. Okay, let's put that over here. There's the pink bunny. Should we make a red bunny now? A Marshall bunny. We'll just pull that out. Ooh, ah. Okay, there we go. We got it out. Ooh. Okay, ready? Zip, zip, zip. And now we have a red bunny. We have a pink and a red bunny. Ooh, I can't wait to get the Zuma bunny. Okay, let's pull this out. Ooh, sometimes Play-Doh is really sticky and it gets hard to come out, huh? Okay, plop. There we go. We got the Play-Doh out. Should we put the bunny thing on it? Let's do it. The bunny stamp is so cute. Zip. There's the bunny stamp. It's so cute. Now we have the pink one for Skye, the red one for Marshall, and the orange one for Zuma. But now we have a yellow one, yellow for Marshall. Let's give Marshall a little bunny, shall we? Ooh, look at the yellow Play-Doh. I can't wait to squish it, but let's make all the bunnies first. Okay, here's the bunny. Look at how cute that little bunny is. Okay, a yellow bunny for Rubble. Ooh, now it's time to do Rocky, and Rocky's green Play-Doh is so cool. We got it right out. Okay, bunny time. Zoop. Look at the little bunny. These bunny friends are so cute, and we have rainbow pink, red, orange, yellow, and green. We've got almost all the Paw Patrol, but we're missing someone. Who are we missing? Chase! And Chase is blue. Ooh, let's get it out. Okay, here we go. Ready for your bunny stamp, Chase? Ooh, that's so cool. Now we've turned all the Paw Patrol Play-Dohs into bunnies. Ruff, ruff. Earthlings, did you hear that? Ruff, 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 ruff. Bunnies don't make that noise. Why are the Play-Dohs barking? Ruff, 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 ruff. Why are the Play-Dohs barking? Should we try squishing them? Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Chase was inside the Play-Doh. Ooh, it's so squishy. The Play-Doh's falling. Wow. Ooh, now let's pick up all the Play-Doh. Wow. Chase, what were you doing inside the Play-Doh? Ooh, it was snuggly and fun inside the Play-Doh. But it sounds like there's others. Should we open them up, Chase? What do you think, Earthlings? Should we open it? Wow! Look inside! It's Rocky! Oh, he's so cute. And look, we can squish up this Play-Doh. And you know, we can even do another bunny stamp. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, it looks kind of like a cookie. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh. We'll put you on top of your Play-Doh and you squished on yours. I wonder, do you guys think that Rubble could be inside here? He is! Oh, Rubble, we're so glad we found you. Me too, I was getting hot in there. Ooh, it sounds like it was maybe a little too cozy in there. Let's see who's in this one. Oh, wow, it's Zuma. Get me out of there. Were you sick of being in there, Zuma? Yeah, I was getting pretty sick of it. Ruff, ruff. Ooh, okay. I wonder, do you think it's Marshall in here? Oh, it is Marshall. It's baby pup Marshall. Ruff, ruff, ruff. It's so cute. Let's put you right there. And the last one. Whoa, no way. Skye was in here. Ooh, I'm so glad to be out. We're glad you're out too, you cute little Skye. Now it looks like we got all of them out of the Play-Doh and we got to use this cool bunny stamp. Wow, that was a lot of fun. I'm so glad we got to see the Paw Patrol today. Hi, guys. Are you guys ready to open the 5 surprise ball? Yeah, let's open it up. Okay, let's try it. This one is so cool. It's pink and it has all these fun things on it. I can't wait to open it. It's gonna be so cool. Looks like we got it open and ooh, let's peel it back. It looks like an orange slice. I can't even wait. Let's open it right now. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. It's crazy. Look how cute it is. It's just a little pony and she has a ball on her head and sticky feet. Hear that noise? That's crazy. Okay, let's open the other one. I can't even wait. And what is this? It's a little mermaid. Oh, she is so cute. I can't even stand it. Look, they're friends. Bloop, 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 bloop. Ooh, should we put the mermaid in the water so that she doesn't drown? We need her to have her good air in the water. Okay, there. Now we've got our friends together. We have 2 left after this one. Ooh. Try to get this open. Ooh. It looks kind of like a pillow. They could lay on it like a bed. That's so cute. But it's a little too squishy and slimy for a pillow. Wow, it's so crazy. No way. A rainbow. It's perfect for the pony. She can fly over the rainbow. That is so shiny. Let's put it on here like a bracelet. Ooh, so fashionable. Okay, it's our last one, but it's gonna be so much fun. No way, a little kitten? She is so cute. Look at her fluffy tail and her little paws. She's just adorable. Let's put her right here. Wow, now we got all these new friends. Let's see what happens next.
All right, Marshall, you're next. You're in the bedroom. Watch, we gotta wake him up. Hi guys, look at the cute house we have today.
Hi, little earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. And this house is really messy, so we need to show the Paw Patrol how to clean it. Paw Patrol! I'm here! Ooh, there's Chase. Oh, and Rocky. Who else do we have? There's Zuma. And Marshall. And Skye! Now we only have one more Paw Patrol. It's Rubble! Alright, Paw Patrol, you all need to clean your house. Okay.
All right, Paw Patrol, are you ready? I got you guys a wash rag. Let's start with this room down here with Chase. All right, Chase, let's see how many spots you have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 5 dirty spots you need to clean. Let's clean it. Clean the one on the floor, the one on the couch, another one on the floor, another one on the couch, and then there's one on the door. Whoops. Keep the door closed. There we go. One on the door is all clean. Woohoo! Clean, clean, clean. Good job, Chase. Cleaning is so good. Now let's clean Zuma's spot. All right, Zuma, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on you too, plus this one on the side. Let's clean this one first. Then the one on the dresser, one on the floor, one on the bed, one on the nightstand, and one on the ceiling. There, how's that, Zuma? Oh, it feels so good to have a clean bedroom. I bet it does. But look, you missed one. There were 6. There we go. All right, now it looks like it's Rocky's turn with the bathroom. Look how many spots there are in the bathroom. 1, 2, 3. So let's wipe this off, wipe the toilet off, then wipe off this part. Oh, look how messy that is. There. All right, you're all clean. Woohoo! All right, Marshall, you're next. You're in the bedroom. Watch, we gotta wake him up. Clean the mark off the bed and the dresser and the bed frame. Woo! Good job cleaning. Now I can go back to bed. All right, here's our last room. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 right here. So that's 5. Are you guys ready? Yes. All right, while we're cleaning, let's listen to some music. That's a fun song. Let's do another one.
This music makes me want to dance.
Good job, you guys. Look how clean our house is now.
Good job, Paw Patrol. The house is so clean now. Good job. And here's a surprise for you. Ah.
Look what we got from Marty. We got a green egg surprise. Let's see what's inside. It's a funny purple bird popper. Look, bloop, 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 bloop. Watch what happens when we pop it. Whoa, did you see that? That's a fun bird. Boop.
Okay, little Earthlings, that's it for this story. So let's see what's going to happen next. Hi guys, subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim zam shabam. Oh look, here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.